guys, my name is Na. Today I will tell you about breathe. Just breathe. The movement of your blood through your heart and around the body is called circulation. The process of circulation is fast. It takes less than a minute to pump blood to every part of your body. 1. When you breathe in, oxygen goes into your lungs. 2. Blood from your lung fills with oxygen and moves into the left side of your heart. 3. The left side of your heart pumps this blood with oxygen in it out to tubes called arteries. Arteries carry blood away from your heart to your body. 4. Your body takes the oxygen out of the blood and uses this to stay healthy and strong. We need oxygen for everything we do, moving, growing, speaking, and thinking. If we do not have oxygen, we cannot live. 5. When your body uses the oxygen from your blood, it makes carbon dioxide. Your body doesn't need this carbon dioxide, so the blood takes it away. Other tubes or veins carry blood with carbon dioxide in it back to your heart. 6. The blood from the body goes into the right side of your heart. 7. The right side of your heart pumps this blood into your lungs. Your lungs will remove the carbon dioxide from your blood. 8. When you breathe out, carbon dioxide goes back into the air. Remember, all this happened in about a minute, and all you have to do is breathe.